Bonjour tout le monde! Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's video is Valentine special. Let's learn simple French question and answer dialogues. Read with me and repeat out loud.
Do you love me?
Est-ce que tu m'aimes?
Yes, I love you.
Oui, je t'aime.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Joyeuse Sainte Valentine.
Thank you.
Merci.
For me. You are very kind.
Tu es très gentil.
Thank you. You too.
Merci. Toi aussi.
For female. You are very kind.
Tu es très gentil.
Thank you. You too.
Merci. Toi aussi.
Is this for me?
C'est pour moi?
Yes, it's for you.
Oui, c'est pour toi.
Do you like flowers?
Tu aimes les fleurs?
Yes, I like flowers.
Oui, j'aime les fleurs.
Do you want chocolate?
Tu veux du chocolat?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Oui, j'adore le chocolat.
Do you want to go out with me?
Tu veux sortir avec moi?
Yes, with pleasure.
Oui, avec plaisir.
Shall we go to the cafe?
On va au café?
Yes, let's go.
Oui, allons-y.
What is my nickname?
Quel est mon surnom?
My love.
Mon amour.
For me. Will you always be my friend?
Tu seras toujours mon ami?
Yes, always.
Oui, toujours.
For female. Will you always be my friend?
Tu seras toujours mon ami?
Yes, always.
Oui, toujours.
Do you miss me?
Tu me manques?
Yes, I miss you.
Oui, tu me manques.
What is your favorite color?
Quelle est ta couleur préférée?
Red.
Le rouge.
Are we together?
On est ensemble?
Yes, we are together.
Oui, on est ensemble.
Do you like my voice?
Tu aimes ma voix?
Yes, it's sweet.
Oui, elle est douce.
Do you like my smile?
Tu aimes mon sourire?
Yes, I like your smile.
Oui, j'aime ton sourire. Merci. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir. Bye.